Good day mga ka-runners. So today is our day 73 I think. So today's session meron tayong cruise interval run. So para tong speed session. So ang minimum niya is 5:39. Kaya ito ngayon nagwa-warm up ng 1K para hindi mabigla yung muscle natin. Join me. Let's run in a speed run. So let's see kung ma-maintain natin to. Let's go. So we finished the warm up. So let's try to finish this interval runs. Let's go. KM1 517, KM2 522, KM3 546. Hindi tayo pasok sa minutes. Pero subukan natin like slap. KM4 603. Mas bumaba. Pagod na. 5K 601. So that's our first interval run here again at Conchu Road. So natapos natin siya below 30 minutes pero yung plan talaga 24 minutes lang. And tinapos ko lang siya ng 5K. So sa last 2 kilometers medyo naubusan na ako. Average ko na lang doon 6 minutes per kilometer. Pero okay pa rin to as improvement. So dagdag yun sa race natin sa April 13. So itatry ko i-beat yung 10K PR natin na 59 minutes. So sana mapababa ko siya hanggang 55. Yun yung goal natin. So yun na lang para sa run na to. I hope you enjoyed this. And I encourage you once again to be active, to be wealthy, to be healthy. Always run for your life. Let's go!